Okay, first circle theorem that we're going to look at is the circle theorem that's called the angle in a semicircle is always going to be a right angle. And what we mean by that, picture of that is, if this is the centre of your circle, to make it into a semicircle, we cut it in half, so that's a diameter. So if you draw a diameter through your circle, it can be in any direction. If you were then to draw two lines, one line joining up the edge of the circle, and then joining that back down to the other side of the diameter, this angle will be 90 degrees. And it will always be 90 degrees, doesn't matter where it touches the edge of the circle. So I could go over there and down, that will also be a 90-degree angle. Okay, the next circle theorem we're going to look at today is the rule that says that a tangent to a circle makes a right angle with the radius at that point. So what we mean is a tangent to the circle is just a line that just touches the circle. So it's any straight line, as straight as I can be, that just touches the circle at a point. That's a tangent to the line. This point where it just touches the circle, if I were to draw a radius to there, what we say for this one is that radius and that tangent, the angle between them is always going to be a 90-degree angle. Okay, and the last circle theorem for today then is the angle that we have. Sorry, let me make that a new word. The angle, we'll say subtended at the centre of the circle is double the angle subtended at the circumference by the same arc. Right. What we mean by this is, so if we pick 2 points on the edge of the circle, any 2 points, so let's imagine I'm going to pick these 2 points. If you kind of imagine the chord that's dashed between those 2 points, we've now got kind of a minor arc and a major arc. We've discussed these in one of the previous questions. So the minor one's a small one, the major one's a big one. So what we're saying is, if I go into this major arc this time, say, so if I'm going to go up into that arc, the angle that I make at the centre, so I go between those 2 points to the centre, so this angle is double the angle I make if I go between the 2 points, but I go to the edge of the circle instead. I go up to the edge of the circle. So if this angle up here is x, this one would be 2x. Now, that's quite nice if it's drawn like that. It can look a bit different, and this is where you need to be really careful. I'll sketch one below. But if I instead chose these 2 points, say, and I went this way to the corner and that way to the centre, then this angle, let's call that 2A this time, that would be double this angle, which was A. So just be really careful that you spot that type, because it's quite hard to spot. Right, once you've made some notes on those 3, I'm going to put up some questions and you can have a go at just a few questions on finding some angles using these rules. And these aren't given to you, you do need to learn them for your final exam.